Okay, so question number 2. Is K3PO4 an acid or a base? Okay, so this is a type of salt. And there are 3 types of salts that you could potentially have. So there is an acidic salt, which is formed from a strong acid and the salt of a weak base. You could have a basic salt, which is formed when you combine a strong base with a weak acid. And lastly, you can have a neutral salt, which is what is formed when you react a strong acid with a strong base. Okay, so K3PO4 is formed from H3PO4, which is a weak acid, and potassium hydroxide, which is a strong base. Okay, so I can show out how this reaction would take place. We have our weak acid plus our strong base reacts to form K3PO4 plus water. Okay, so if we were to balance this equation, we'd need a 3 in front of the potassium hydroxide. And now we have 6 hydrogens and 7 oxygens. So let's see if we put 2 in front of H2O. And now everything should be balanced. 4 hydrogens, 6 oxygens, 3 potassium, and 1 phosphorus. Okay, so therefore K3PO4 is a base, or a basic salt. Okay, so let's see what the junior tutor said. K3PO4 is a salt solution. This salt is formed through neutralization of strong base and a weak acid. Salts that are from strong bases and weak acids do hydrolyze, which gives it a pH greater than 7. The anion in the salt is derived from a weak acid and will accept a proton from the water in the reaction. This will have the water act as an acid that will, in this case, leave a hydroxide ion, OH-. The cation will be from a strong base and it will dissociate into an ion and not affect the H+. So K3PO4 is then a basic salt. Okay, so this solution is correct.